Hi, it's Mrs. Labar again, and today's demo is going to be about how do you update your colleges and move them from the colleges I'm thinking about list to colleges I'm applying to. And the colleges I'm applying to list is what you're going to use during senior year. Those are the colleges you are actually going to apply to, and we use this list to request transcripts, track the status of your applications, and things like that. Colleges I'm thinking about list is the list you use from 9th through 11th grade to save some of the colleges that you want to learn more about. So first we're going to go to colleges I'm thinking about. You can get that a couple different ways. You can get it right here on the home screen, or you can click on colleges up here and it's also located up there. I'm going to go from the home screen today and click on colleges I'm thinking about. You can see I've got several colleges in my list, and there's just a couple of them that I want to move over to colleges I'm applying to. So I'm going to click on Oklahoma City University, I'm going to click on Carleton College, and I'm going to click on California State, Fullerton. All right, when I click on, I choose the ones that I know I want to apply to. I go up here to move to application list, and I click. Now for me today, this program is not working, but it probably has something to do with my demo account. So when you click on it, it'll work, and those colleges will get moved over to your application list. Let's go ahead and look now at my colleges I'm applying to list, and you can get there on the left-hand side. Colleges I'm applying to, here we've got 2 colleges in the list, and maybe you're like, yeah, that gets us started, but those are not all the colleges I know I'm going to apply to. So you can add new ones to this list anytime you want by using the pink plus button up here. You click on that and you can search for any college that you're wanting to use to look for. Let's look for Kansas State University. There it is. I select that one. And then I don't need to do anything with this unless you're a fall semester senior and you are adding this college to your list and you want to request a transcript, you can push this button. Everyone else, you're just going to add your application and you can come back later and request that transcript. So we click Add Application. Again, my program's a little bit slow today. So when you click Add Application, it'll add it to your list. You'll see that pop up and you'll be ready to go. Those will be the colleges that you're going to apply to. Keep updating that list all through senior year. If you choose not to apply, take that college off. If you add another one you apply to, add it back in. Because at the end of senior year, we're going to want to hear back the status of all your applications that you send out. As always, let us know if you have questions.